Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we'll go through how many types of products that you can create on your storefront. Types of pricing method we'll go through. We'll go through the types of products such as printable products. We'll also look how and what kind of predefined products that can be created. Promotional products such as t-shirts, caps can be created, and how you can use the mask image and create a product such as CD or caps or mugs or something like that. Few points we need to note is that you can create the products for such as wide format products. Example of such banners, signage, canvas, etc. The normal printable products that we talk about are that we can create are business cards, flyers, door hangers, brochures, etc. And the predefined products that we were talking about can be created such as card holder, pen stand, or pen or something like that, where you just have to take the text from the customer and just can be placed. And now the promotional products such as caps, t-shirt and mugs can be created. So let's see how they look on the front store when you create such products. Now the types of products that can be used or can be served by the admin to the customers are varied, and you can nearly create every kind of product on the OnPrintShop solutions on your website, right? Let us first discuss product, and we start with the simplest product called standard business card. Here type of product, you allow your customer to select the size that you want, that you are printing, and you can allow 3 to 4 different kind of size of business. Also the quantity is fixed over here, so the price defining method is called the fixed type of price defining method. You allow your customers to select the specified quantities only for business cards. So this kind of a product can be created where you allow a number of quantity listed, and then your customers can select from that. And bag can also be adjusted, can be created depending upon the product. And here also you see the type, the pricing for this size, and for this quantity you charge this much, for this size and this much quantity you charge this much. So this is fixed quantity and fixed price. The other kind of price defining method or other type of products that you can create it, such as where you have not fixed quantity. For example, posters kind of a thing, where the quantity is not fixed from the customer side, that he may vary the quantity depending upon his requirement. In this method, what you do, you fix the size and the quantity that is required by the customer, you allow them to enter from his side. So for example, if he enters 7 quantities of a poster, so based on that the price will be calculated. Now here what you can do, you can also restrict the minimum and maximum quantity to be printed or to be ordered by the customer. So that option is also available. So if the customer is entering any quantity which is minimum, then the error message will be displayed and the customer will have to select the default quantity, that is starting quantity. And same way, if he enters a quantity which is out of the range, then it will also not allow and will display the default quantity and the price will be calculated. Now here you will display the pricing over here, where if the quantity entered by the customer is falling in this range, then the pricing would be this much, and if the range is if the quantity is falling in this range, then the pricing would be this much. So as the range and the quantity increases, the pricing is decreasing per piece. So this pricing is for per piece of the posters. So this is called the range based kind of a pricing method, where you opt to select a specific size, and you also can maintain or restrict your users, your customers, to select minimum and maximum quantity. Now the other kind of product that can be served very well is called the size base, where you allow your customers to select the size as well as the quantity they desire to print. Now this can be with kind of a banners or wide format products, where you allow your customers to have the size. You can also enter the customized help. Now suppose if the customer is entering 3 by 2, this is the size that he is looking for. So the price will be per unit based on the area. Okay, and if he selects 3 quantities, so the pricing would be calculated based on that. So here you allow, in this kind of product, you allow your customers to select the size as well as the quantity they want. Now here there is another option where you give some predefined size to your customer as well as the custom size. This is called the custom size of a product. Now we'll see other kind of product where you allow your customers to have the custom size as well as some predefined size. So this is the combination of a predefined size as well as the custom size. Here you have seen that you allow a predefined size and allow the quantity. Now in this product you allow print size or a custom size as well as the quantity. Now in this product you allow predefined size as well as the custom size. So combination of that, and you can have the quantity selected also. Okay. So the other kind of products that are very neatly or easily can be created are the promotional products. For example, if you are catering the t-shirts, now if you can see, you can have the different kind of t-shirts. The quantity can be selected, number of colors, front side of printing or backside printing. Now here allow your customers to design or to upload some specific kind of images on their t-shirt. If they have their own image that they can select and can upload. The colors you offer to your customers which are available to in your store, that you can create over here, and the customers can select any of the colors they want. The image that they are going to upload can be uploaded from here, from the image gallery, where we have integrated Facebook, Photolio, Flickr, all these image uploading applications that are already integrated. So any customers of yours can upload their Google Photos or from their Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever. So this kind of product is easily catered and can be created. Let me try to upload one of the image if they want to have it on here. So this way it will look, right? So the image will be done over here and can upload the on the side. This is front side and this is the back side of the t-shirt where the image is there. So this kind of a frame you can decide and can be printed on the sleeves and can also be printed on right and left sleeves as well as on the chest. If you are drawing just a logo of the company, then you can create this kind of frame box and can create a logo kind of frame over here also. The other different product you can create on the storefront is kind of a mug, or where you have predefined product or predefined images you can have as well as the customers will be able to change that image or can change or replace the image if he wants to replace that. So the same way he can replace the image and can place his own image on his mug for his baby or maybe whatever. So you can have this product also. The other product that is very good for creating is the booklet product, where you print the number of books depending upon the page. You can create such booklet for A4 size, A5 size, and the type of the paper that you have. Covering paper could be decided, binding options, all these options can be created for your booklet kind of a product. The other option for the booklet kind of product is a binding product, where you have the quantity selected as well as the number of pages that can be opted for. So you can decide the pricing based on the pages that the customer is selecting. So here if the customer is selecting more number of pages, so you charge as per the pages that the customer is selecting. So this is also in OnPrintShop solution. Now if you go on to the next, that is mailing labels or stickers kind of a product, where you just print it, remove the tag and press it on the option or the box, and so this sticker kind of a product can also be created using our OnPrintShop solution. The other product that you can create on your solution is the calendars kind of a products, where we have different kind of You can have different kind of calendars such as desktop calendars, wall calendars, double-sided, single-sided wall calendars. So you can create those kind of calendars also using our OnPrintShop solution. So this kind of a product can also be created. And the most important kind of product is if you are selling to a corporate, that is called a kit product. You sell it as a bulk. This is a predefined product where you will not have the designer studio. That means you are selling this product as it is. So this is individual product can also be sold as well as you can sell it in a kit. So this is a corporate gift can be created for on a particular person. Suppose if a manager is there, then you different number of managers are there in a corporate company. So the company decides to give this handstand calendar, desktop calendar, and the card holder to their managers. So you can create such a product as a corporate gift or a kit product where you can restrict the quantity. The customer won't be able to change the quantity. This is the fixed quantity that is to be there in a kit, and the quantity here you can allow your customers to select. So based on the quantity selected, the price will be changed. The number of kits now here is also be able to select. The customers will be able to select the number of kits. Now we comprise of one kit, and the total number of are the types of products that can be created. And as far as our solution is concerned, you can create any kind of a product such as e-commerce kind of product, printable product, promotional products, non-printable products, booklet products. So the solution is capable of creating every kind of a product. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.